What's up, guys? Today I will give you this effect. Okay, now open Capcut. Add your clip. Go to Effects and select Neon Outline. And export it. Now remove the effect. Add the exported clip and move it to Overlay. Select the main clip, then go to Animation and select Fade In. Now select the overlay and go to Blend, then select Filter. Now follow my steps. Capcut Pro download link in description. Now go to Graphs and select Ease Out 3. All done. Now export it. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. See you on next tutorial.